Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn English. I am Amelia, and I am so happy you are here today.
Hello, everyone. I am James, and today we have a very important lesson for you.
Before we begin, I want you to imagine something. You go to the pharmacy. The pharmacist gives you your medicine, and then they speak very quickly. You do not understand what they said, and you do not know what to do next.
Does that feeling sound familiar? That moment of not knowing what to say. That moment of feeling lost. We understand that feeling completely. And today, that feeling is going to change. Because today, we are going to teach you exactly what to say at the pharmacy. Every phrase, every question, every situation. Slowly, clearly, together. By the end of this episode, you will feel confident walking into any pharmacy and speaking English clearly and comfortably. Here is your first comment challenge. Write in the comments right now. Have you ever been to a pharmacy in English? How did it feel? Write just one sentence. We are listening. Subscribe to Learn English for new lessons every single week. Press the bell so you never miss us. Now, let us begin together.
Okay, let us start with a real conversation. Two people are talking at the pharmacy. Maria is picking up her medicine. The pharmacist is helping her.
Listen to the conversation carefully. Try to understand the main idea. Do not worry about every single word. Just listen.
Pharmacist. Good morning. How can I help you? Maria. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please. My name is Maria Garcia. Pharmacist. Let me check that for you. Yes, I have your prescription here. This is for your blood pressure medicine. Take one tablet every morning with food. Maria. I am sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? English is not my first language, and I want to make sure I understand correctly. Pharmacist. Of course, no problem at all. Take one tablet every morning with food. Maria. Thank you so much. And how many days does this last? Pharmacist. This is a 30-day supply. You will need to come back next month for a refill. Maria. I understand. Are there any side effects I should know about? Some people feel a little dizzy at first. If that happens, please call your doctor. Maria. Thank you very much for your help. You have been very kind. Pharmacist. You are very welcome. Take care. That was the full conversation. Now let us answer some questions together. I will ask, you say the answer out loud. Question 1. Why did Maria go to the pharmacy? She went to pick up her prescription. Say it out loud. She went to pick up her prescription. Question 2. What did Maria say when she did not understand? She said, "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?" Say it out loud. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Question 3. How often does Maria take her medicine? She takes one tablet every morning with food. Say it out loud. One tablet every morning with food. Very well done. You understood the conversation. You answered 3 questions. That is real English comprehension. Be proud of yourself right now. Here is your second comment challenge. Write in the comments. What is the most important phrase Maria used in this conversation? Write it in English below. We will read every single answer. Now let us learn the most important words and phrases from the conversation. I will explain each one simply and clearly. Word 1. Prescription. A prescription is a paper from your doctor that says which medicine you need. You take the prescription to the pharmacy.
Example 1. I have a prescription from my doctor. Example 2. Could I pick up my prescription, please? Say the word 3 times with me. Prescription. 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 Word 2. Tablet. A tablet is a small, solid piece of medicine. It is also called a pill. Example 1. Take 1 tablet every morning. Example 2. I take 2 tablets before bed every night. Say the word 3 times. Tablet. 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 Word 3. Side effects. Side effects are things that can happen to your body when you take medicine. They are not the main purpose of the medicine, but they can happen sometimes.
Example 1. Are there any side effects I should know about? Example 2. The most common side effect is feeling a little dizzy. Say the phrase 3 times. Side effects. Side effects. Side effects.
Word 4.
Refill. A refill means getting more of the same medicine when your first supply runs out.
Example 1. I need a refill for my blood pressure medicine. Example 2. When do I need to come back for a refill? Say the word 3 times. Refill. Refill. Refill.
Now let us practice all 4 words together. Say each word out loud after me. Then pause. Then say it one more time. Prescription. Pause. Prescription. Tablet. Pause. Tablet. Side effects. Pause. Side effects. Refill. Pause. Refill.
These 4 words will help you in every pharmacy visit for the rest of your life. Say them every day this week. Make them yours completely.
Now let us learn the most important phrases you need at any pharmacy. After every phrase, we will pause. Then we will say it together. Take your time. There is no rush. Phrase 1. When you arrive at the pharmacy, say this. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please. My name is... Say it. Pause. Together. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please. Phrase 2. When you do not understand, say this. I am sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Say it. Pause. Together. I am sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Phrase 3. When you want to understand your medicine, say this. How many times a day do I take this medicine? Say it. Pause. Together. How many times a day do I take this medicine? Phrase 4. When you want to know about food, say this. Do I take this with food or without food? Say it. Pause. Together. Do I take this with food or without food?
Phrase 5. When you want to know about side effects, say this. Are there any side effects I should know about? Say it. Pause. Together. Are there any side effects I should know about?
Phrase 6. When you need more medicine, say this. I would like to get a refill for this medicine, please. Say it. Pause. Together. I would like to get a refill for this medicine, please.
Phrase 7. When you need to ask about a new medicine, say this. My doctor gave me a new prescription. Could you help me understand how to take it? Say it. Pause. Together. My doctor gave me a new prescription. Could you help me understand how to take it?
Say those last 3 phrases one more time. Are there any side effects I should know about? I would like to get a refill for this medicine, please. My doctor gave me a new prescription. Could you help me understand how to take it? You now have 7 powerful phrases for any pharmacy visit in English. 7 phrases that will make you feel confident and understood every single time.
Now, let us talk about common mistakes. These are things that happen to many people when they speak English at the pharmacy. And today, we are going to fix all of them.
Mistake number 1. Saying yes when you do not understand.
This is the most common mistake. The pharmacist explains your medicine, and you nod and say yes, even when you did not understand.
This can be dangerous for your health. You need to understand your medicine completely. Never say yes when you are not sure.
Always say this instead. I am sorry, could you say that again more slowly, please? Say it out loud right now. I am sorry, could you say that again more slowly, please?
Mistake number 2. Not asking about side effects.
Many people take their medicine and leave. They do not ask about side effects. And then they feel dizzy or tired, and they do not know why. Always ask before you leave. Are there any side effects I should know about? Say it out loud. Are there any side effects I should know about?
Mistake number 3. Forgetting to bring your prescription.
Before you go to the pharmacy, always check that you have your prescription. And always have your name ready to say, clearly.
My name is Maria Garcia. Say it slowly. Say every letter clearly. The pharmacist needs to hear your name clearly to find your medicine. Quick practice right now. I say the wrong response. You say the correct response out loud. Pharmacist says something quickly. Wrong response? You nod and say yes. Correct response? Say it. I am sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I want to make sure I understand everything correctly. That response is polite. That response is natural. And that response keeps you safe. Use it every single time you need it.
Practice time. And I love this part because right now, you become the English speaker. We are going to do a real pharmacy practice together. I will be the pharmacist. Amelia will be the patient. Then you repeat the patient lines out loud. Ready? Let us go. Good morning. How can I help you today? Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription, please. My name is Amelia Brown. Yes, I have your prescription here. Take 1 tablet twice a day, morning and evening. Always take it with food. I am sorry. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I want to make sure I understand everything. Of course. 1 tablet, 2 times a day, morning and evening. Always with food. Thank you so much. Are there any side effects? Some people feel a little tired at first. If you feel very unwell, please call your doctor. I understand. And when do I need a refill? Come back in 30 days for your next supply. Thank you so much for your help. You have been very kind. You are very welcome. Take care of yourself. Now go back and say every patient line out loud. Every single line. My name is Amelia Brown. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Are there any side effects? When do I need a refill? Thank you so much for your help. Say those lines one more time. Slowly, clearly, confidently. This is real pharmacy English, and you are speaking it right now. Here is your 3rd and final comment challenge. Write in the comments, which pharmacy phrase will you use the next time you visit the pharmacy? Write it in English. We want to see your answer.
We have reached the end of today's lesson, and I want to say something to every single person listening right now.
Please say it, Amelia.
You just learned real English for your real life. Not office English, not textbook English. English for the pharmacy. English for your health. English for taking care of yourself.
And that is the most important English of all.
Let us do our final review together.
We heard a real pharmacy conversation. Maria picked up her prescription. She asked the pharmacist to speak more slowly. She asked about side effects. She asked about her refill. We learned 4 important words: prescription, tablet, side effects, refill. We learned 7 essential phrases. Good morning. I am here to pick up my prescription. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? How many times a day do I take this? Do I take this with food or without food? Are there any side effects I should know about? I would like to get a refill, please. Could you help me understand how to take this?
And we fixed 3 mistakes. Never say yes when you do not understand. Always ask about side effects. Always bring your prescription and say your name clearly. Here is something I want you to do before your next pharmacy visit. Write down 3 phrases on a small piece of paper. Put it in your bag. Take it with you to the pharmacy. Look at it if you feel nervous. You have the words. You have the phrases. You are ready. If today's lesson helped you, please share it with one person who also goes to the pharmacy in English. One share from you helps someone else feel confident and safe. Like this video. Subscribe to Learn English. Press the bell for new episodes every week. You are never too old to learn. You are never too late to feel confident. And your health is too important to leave anything unclear or misunderstood. You have the words now. You have the phrases. Walk into that pharmacy with your head held high. Speak clearly, speak slowly, and know that we are so very proud of you. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Take good care of yourself. See you next time.